Sanibona bafethu uvane lo namhlanje kuphume indaba ke abantu abaningi kade bedebate regarding isquad esikhishwe uSafa. Namhlanje ke uSafa bafethu ukhiphe isquad sebafana bafana not namhlanje futhi akasikhiphanga namhlanje. Kahle kahle abafana abafike namhlanje le eBulgaria la beyodlala khona. Le indaba lezi ade lokho eyitrenda nje but ke abantu abaningi kunento eyi-one engifuna ukuyi-addressa la abangayi-understand yabo. I feel like abantu abaningi they are not getting the bigger picture. Ifuna nje ukuyindlala kahle. Mhlambe ke nawe uma unombono wakho ungangitshela kuma-comments yabo, because there is a bigger picture in this situation yabo. Abafana abancane ke bafethu bawo-representa ibafana bafana and abantu abaningi bayakhala ukuthi ke why abafana abancane lawa abathathiwe kugcwele abafana abadlala le eGoli yabo. Why are we taking Jozi players? Why are we taking Gauteng based players? Uma usubheke kulesa squad esilandiwe bafethu bangaka abadlali bala eThekwini, bangaka not bala eThekwini kuphela, bangaka abadlali bala eKZN, bangaka abadlali bala eWestern Cape, bangaka abadlali bala eMpumalanga, bangaka abadlali bala eLimpopo yabo. There are small number of players who are playing with squad sebafana bafana who are playing outside of the other provinces. There are only 2 players and those 2 players they are coming from Kepina, Western Cape, with Team A1. Mwasubheke, the squad is run by 3 teams: Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, and Kaizer Chiefs. And Highlands Park, I think I saw 1 or 2 players coming from Highlands Park. And one may say, why are they taking these players only? Yeah, Mwasubheke, Gauteng as a whole, they have a whole league dedicated to young players. They have a whole league dedicated to young players, and this league funds yabo. Le league le bafethu mase ngitshela ngale league le bayibiza ngeGDL. Abayaziyo ibhola balaziyo igrassroots yebhola laseGauteng. Mina ke ngiyalandela idlalo, ujole ukudlala even nala ku SuperSport. Uma usubheka nje ama games amaningi bajole ukudlala amabhola amancane ezintwana bafethu. iJDL bafethu ibizwa ngeGauteng Developmental League. Gauteng Development League, if I'm not mistaken. I've did a video before regarding lento le last year yabo. Ungilandela nje kahle ungayibheka ivideo yami ngangikhuluma kade same thing yabo. It seems like abantu abaningi abafuna ukuyifunda lento le. So i-youth football le bafethu e-based le Gauteng irana under i-structure seSAFA yabo. Njengoba irana nje under structure seSAFA ifocusa ekudevelopeni abadlali abancane yabo. Kukhona under 13, kube khona under 15, kube khona under 17, mase kuba khona under 19. Mwasubheke la yabo, abadlali laba bazothathwa bayiswe ku-TDC. Mase besuka ku-TDC bazohamba baye kuma-first team. Mase besuka kuma-first team bazohamba baye le represent ibafana bafana. And enye into engifuna ukuyi-highlighta, lama team lawo Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, they are not scouting ama-players are based eGauteng player phela. They are scouting ama-players are based South Africa yonke. Kodwa ke people are disputing the fact that why are they taking players who are playing for Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, and Mamelodi Sundowns. Mwasubheke nje kwamanye ama-provinces. Kwamanye ama-provinces akhona. Kumanye nje ama-provinces akhona. Why ingekho i-structure enjenge-JDL? Uma wena kukhona oyaziyo mhlambe ke ungangitshela, but ke why zingekho yabo like ama-league kanje, ama-programs akanje? Mina ngizokutshela one thing, why zingekho izinto ezikanje. Akhona ama-tournaments oyaye uwafice mhlambe ke kwamanye ama-provinces yabo. I know for a fact mhlambe lapha eWestern Cape I think kune-Bay Hill tournament if I'm not mistaken yabo. Ikhona i-Bay Hill tournament ijwayele ukudlala frequently, but ke i-tournament akusiyona i-league yabo. It's a Bay Hill tournament. I think iyadlala currently if I'm not mistaken yabo. So amanye ama-provinces akwazi ke abe nazo izinto ezikanje, but ke akube i-league njengani na njengeGauteng yabo. Baye bashawe i-funding and bashawe ama-sponsors. iGauteng inama-businesses amaningi yabo. Njengoba inama-businesses amaningi incane iGauteng yabo, ayikho that big njengamanye ama-provinces. Njengoba incane nje iGauteng everything yenzakala khona la. So kuyaye kuba lula for ama-team amaningi ukuthi ke athole i-sponsor and akwazi ukuthi a-travele kahle, awa-travele distances eningi and ama-facilities maningi. Ama-facilities are-right for abafana abancane ukuthi ke bawasebenzise lapha eJohannesburg. So kuyaye kube ngconywana khona ukuthi ke usheshe uthole i-talent eli-right and ama-talent amaningi yabo. Even each and every player odlalayo right now, mina mase nje uye ngala ngasekhaya, abafana abadlala ibhola bafuna ukudlala ibhola bahambe baye eGoli khona bezoscoutwa ama-team a-right eGoli badlale lawo ma-team each and every player odlala ibhola la ngeke uzumuzwe ethi mina ngifuna ukuyodlalela AmaZulu, ngifuna ukuthathwa AmaZulu ngiyodlalela AmaZulu. Cha, abafana bafuna ukuhamba bayodlala le eJohannesburg, yabo. So kuya kube nezinto ezikanjalo la eKZN. Azikho izinto ezokwazi zisiza abafana abancane. Awekho ama-league akhona azosiza labafana abancane. Ama-league mhlambe ke anjengonini sibone sibona AmaZulu mhlambe edlala ne-team yaseMlazi, sibona mhlambe AmaZulu edlala ne-team yakoMasho, yabo. Ama-league akanjalo siyasibona ama-tournament, yabo. Izinto mhlambe ezidlala for i-weekend, mhlambe izinto ezidlala for 2 weeks phele kanjalo, yabo. Kuyaye kube nzima ukuthi sibone amathalente amasha each and every day, yabo. So ukutravela kuyaye kube into enzima kakhulu, ukutravela from la ucabanga uzosuka la uye le mhlambe le eNkandla uyodlala igame eNkandla, usuke la uye le eZansi ePotchefstroom, usuka la eThekwini ushone le ePotchefstroom, yabo. Kuzoba nzima, traveling izoba nzima, imali, yabo, iyona engekho. So if amanye ama-province mefuna ukuba nento njenge-JDL, kumele akwazi ukuthi akhulume with o-sporting, yabo, laba bongqongqoshe laba bakhona bakwazi ke bahlanganise into ezokwazi ukuthi ke ithuthukise ibhola laleyo province. Mina ngokwami la eKZN siyayidinga into njenge-JDL. Baningi abadlali abasuka la KwaZulu Natal beyodlala le eGauteng. Masubheke nje kwi-national team currently, we have players like aboMbokazi, we have players like aboTalente Mbatha, we have players like abo Ricardo Ghost, we have players like Siphephelo Sithole, we have players like Hlongwane, yabo. Sinabadlali abadlala lapha. We have players like nomdlali lo dlala le eAmerica uMakhanya. Imagine 6 players coming from KZN. 6 players coming from KZN. That is a lot of players. As a province, we should be building something that will develop i-talent labafana abancane. Kuqhamuke ama-sponsors. There are many teams akhona la eThekwini. Why AmaZulu? Why Golden Arrows? Why Lena iDurban City? Why mhlambe ke iRichards Bay FC ingahlangani? Omkhambathi bakhona, omkhambathi mfethu bakhona, oMilford. Why lawo ma-team lawo abadlali bakhona abancane kungenziwa i-league, yabo? Ku-introduce namanye ama-team akhona, ama-local teams akhona azodlala aforme, yabo, eKZN, eKwaZulu Natal Development League, eKDL yakhona ke la eKZN. Kube nje nento eyakhayo eyisana phambili. Kudlalwe yona lama league lawa each and every week, adlalwe khona la. Medlalwa sizokwazi ke, yabo, ama-team amakhulu apika i-talent elizokwazi represent lapha eSouth Africa, represent South Africa. Right now kube ngawuthi ke abadlali ababizwe just because ababizwa eGauteng, abase KZN noma amase Western Cape noma abakuphi nakuphi ababizwa. Cha, kuya ngokuthi ubani orana istructure esikahle. Uyaye kube lula for coach ukuthi ke bakwazi ukupika ukuthi abazohamba nabo bele, because bayababona badlala kahle phambi kwabo, bayababona. Do you think umsebenzi waHugo Broos ulula ngaleyo ndlela? Umsebenzi waHugo Broos ulula because Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns idlala kahle. Do you think Hugo Broos uyahamba ayobukela le eZansi ku-NFD ukuthi badlala kahle? uHugo Broos ngiyazi asuke la ku-PSL ayele ku-NFD ayobuka abadlali abadlala kahle ku-NFD. Ngiyazi akwenze lokho. I'm sure bakhona abadlali abadlala kahle ku-NFD, but akababoni. Njo ungababoni kwakhe akusilona icala lakhe, yabo, akusilona icala lakhe. Ithi imidlala le eZansi same as coach ba under 15, akusilona icala labo ukuthi ke abababona abadlali, because ama-provinces awo lawo badlali lawo awenzi lutho ukuthi ke lawo badlali babe recognized, yabo. I-province ilinda ama-teams ase-Gauteng afika ama-teams ase-Gauteng azo-scout khona la kule province yethu, masihamba nabo abadlali, njengoba ihamba nabo iyothuthukisa iGauteng. Thina, why are we not building our own thing, yabo? Iyona into engiyilwelayo mina. Okunye nokunye hayi, yabo, okunye nje nokunye hayi.